Remove each piece from its wrapping and display them so all colored dots are visible. You should have 8 pieces. 2 handle pieces, 1 crossbar piece, 2 legs with gliders, 2 legs with wheels, and 1 storage bag. Take matching color pieces and join them, pink to pink, red to red, and so on. Click each pin securely into position by pushing into place. You should hear a click when it's in properly. Wheels will be on the outside front. Gliders will be on rear legs with curves facing forward. Wearing your storage bag open or closed is a matter of personal preference and easy to change. Use top clips to secure walker bag to crossbar. Then secure sides with the attached Velcro straps. To wear it open, pull apart the sides and press the flexible bottom into place. The netted exterior pockets should be facing front. To close, lift the flexible bottom and press together the sides closed. The pretty walker arrives at the lowest height setting. You'll need to make sure the set height is best for you. To do this, stand by the walker. The handle grips should line up evenly with your wrists. If this needs adjustment, press down on the pin and slide until it clicks into desired position. Pressing the pins can sometimes be challenging. Try using the blunt end of a writing pen or pencil eraser to press inward on the pen. Avoid using anything sharp.